Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a mascara that I recently got. It is called Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I've used Stila in the past. I love their eyeshadow. It's so pigmented, so pretty. It comes in so many different colors. So I was looking for a new mascara and I decided that I really wanted to try their brand. So I wanted to try Stila. So a little bit about the product. The description is Huge Extreme Lash Mascara for the biggest, boldest, blackest black lashes ever. I know sometimes, like these days, a lot of people have eyelash extensions and stuff like that. So if you have extensions, you could add a little bit to those, and then if not, if you have your natural lashes, it will make them big and bold. And I really only use fake lashes if it's like an occasion, like a wedding or something that I have to go to, and the rest of the time I just try to like pile on a lot of mascara and curl my lashes. So the benefits are a custom blend of soft, flexible waxes that builds volume with no clumping. The suggested use is you begin at the base of your lashes and sweep the wand upward and outward to create like a really nice big and bold look. The product description: introducing Huge Extreme Lash Mascara for the biggest, boldest black lashes ever. With just one coat, you instantly get major volume, length, curl, lift, and intense black color. Go as bold as you want, even with multiple coats. This flexible, buildable formula leaves lashes soft with no clumps, flakes, or fallout. Stila is a carefree, whimsical cosmetics brand that is as fun as fantasy, as individual as a signature, and as inspiring as a dream, which I totally agree with. So this is like kind of a really pretty label, gold on gold, Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I like how they have the huge in big letters. Let's see here, it's 0.2 ounces of liquid, 6 milliliters, but you could get a bigger size too if you choose. Distributed by Stila Styles LLC in Los Angeles, California, 90027, made in Italy. And their website is stilacosmetics.com. Love the gold on gold. Very, very pretty. And this looks great with like any color eyeliner or any color eyeshadow as well. So it's safe for contact lens wearers, which is great because I sometimes occasionally will wear contact lenses. It is long wearing and smudge proof. It has crimped brush bristles that hug, catch, and coat every lash. The lash conditioners keep lashes soft and not crunchy. And they have a custom blend of soft, flexible waxes that build clump-free volume. And I just love the intensity and everything of having this mascara on your eyes. It's like before is nothing. After, you get these big, long, beautiful, bold lashes that you like probably didn't even know you had. So it's just an improvement over the brands I bought, you know, at the drugstore, at the grocery store. Like this is just, you'll definitely see the difference. And I also noticed that even if I don't have, like if I don't use an eyelash curler with these, my eyelashes still look great and they still like look bold and they kind of still have the effect that I curled them even if I didn't, which I really, really like too. Gives your eyes a pop, and I just don't, it doesn't flake, it doesn't fall off under your eye. And I like at least over 8 hours or more I wear mascara a day because I don't, you know, I do my makeup and then I'm not washing my face till later after work. So I love that none of the product gets wasted. It's just, you know, really nice. Just if you want, you could wipe the excess of the lip of the mascara tube when you put the brush back in, so you really don't have any wasted. And I just love it. So it gives you huge lashes, just like it says. It makes your lashes look long even if they're not. The wand, and you guys can see it's like kind of thick, and then it looks like it has a good amount of mascara on there. So I'm just gonna wipe a little bit on my finger because I want to show you guys. All right, so that's the color. It's like a dark black, and this was just, you could see like this was like a good amount for just one swipe that I did, and all of that would be on your lashes. So it definitely gives you a generous amount, and I love how thick the wand is, just to like make sure that you're getting every lash. And then sometimes I'll do like 2 coats depending on how crazy I want to get. Like if I'm like going out or something and I don't want to wear your fake eyelashes, maybe I'll do like 2 coats and curl them a little bit. But this mascara is definitely worth every penny. It doesn't clump, makes your lashes longer, stronger, and intense, and even with stubby eyelashes, the mascara can make you look like you even have fake lashes on. So I absolutely love it. So I thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will try out the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I hope you'll love it, and I thank you for watching the video. Hope you found it useful. Thanks, everyone.